must strike hard, and people must be looking around as to what's happened.
Okay.
Why is there a sea change?
Arun Jaitley back again as finance minister, now set to address the media. This is important because he's been sent as the senior most Modi minister to make this very crucial briefing. India listening intently to every word he says. He's flanked by our defense minister Nirmala Sitharaman. After a long illness, Arun Jaitley now in the public glare, in the hot seat as finance minister. I'm going to stay silent and listen to our finance minister.
अंग्रेजी में और फिर हिंदी में एक ब्रीफ बयान है आपको दे दूं. The Cabinet Committee on Security met under the chairmanship of the Honorable Prime Minister to take an assessment and discuss the incident that took place in Pulwama yesterday, in which a large number of CRPF personnel sacrificed their lives. The CCS observed 2-minute silence in the memory of those who laid down their life by making the supreme sacrifice for this country. It placed on record its deep gratitude of the whole nation to those who have made this sacrifice, and expressed its condolences with the bereaved families. The CRPF, of course, will make detailed arrangements with regard to transmitting their and transporting their bodies of the deceased to their families. A detailed assessment of the incident was also taken. There are several details which are discussed in the CCS which are normally not be disclosed. But there are a few points which have to be shared with you. The Ministry of External Affairs will initiate all possible steps, and I'm here referring to all possible diplomatic steps which have to be taken to ensure the complete isolation from the international community of Pakistan, of which incontrovertible evidence is available of having a direct hand in this gruesome terrorist incident. The Ministry of External Affairs in due course will continue to keep you informed with regard to the steps that it is taking. The most favored nation status which had been granted to Pakistan stands withdrawn. The Ministry of Commerce will issue the necessary communications in this regard. The Ministry of External Affairs will also engage with the international community to make sure that the Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism, which has been pending for over 3 decades before the United Nations, particularly because of the definition of the word terrorism, is now adopted at the earliest. As far as our security forces are concerned, they will be taking all possible steps, firstly to ensure that full security is maintained, and secondly to ensure that those who have committed this heinous act of terrorism and those who have supported it actively are made to pay a heavy cost for it. The Honorable Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji will be leaving for Srinagar along with a team of officials from our agencies and Home Ministry today, and on his return at the earliest, possibly tomorrow, he'll be calling an all-party meeting to brief them about this incident. आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की अध्यक्षता में कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑफ सिक्योरिटी की एक बैठक हुई, जो कल पुलवामा में आतंकवादी घटना हुई है उसका आकलन करने के लिए और क्या-क्या कदम उठाने चाहिए देश को। एक श्रद्धांजलि प्रस्ताव जो लोग शहीद हुए और जिन्होंने अपने जीवन का सर्वोच्च त्याग किया है इस राष्ट्र के लिए, उन जवानों के प्रति पारित किया गया। 2 मिनट का मौन भी रखा गया और सीआरपीएफ पूरे कदम उठाएगी कि उन शहीदों के शरीर उनके परिवारों तक पहुंचाए जाएं, ताकि पूरा देश उन शहीदों को सम्मानित कर पाए। जो वहां पर घटना हुई और वहां की वास्तविक स्थिति है उसका आकलन भी किया गया। विदेश मंत्रालय जितने भी डिप्लोमेटिक स्टेप्स है कूटनीति से संबंध इसमें संभव, उनको अब आरंभ करेगा। जैसे वो कदम उठाए जाते हैं उसकी जानकारी आप लोगों को विदेश मंत्रालय समय समय पे देता रहेगा। जो मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन का दर्जा पाकिस्तान को दिया गया था, उसको वापस लेने का निर्णय आज सरकार ने किया है। वाणिज्य मंत्रालय इसके संबंध में जो सूचना जारी करनी है वो करेगा। 1986 में, आज से लगभग 33 वर्ष पूर्व, भारत ने यूनाइटेड नेशंस में कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कन्वेंशन ऑन इंटरनेशनल टेररिज्म मूव किया था, जिस पे बहुत चर्चा हुई है, लेकिन वो अभी तक पारित इसलिए नहीं हुआ कि उसमें टेररिज्म, आतंकवाद शब्द की परिभाषा को लेकर अभी सबकी सहमति बाकी थी। तो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समाज को, इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी को विदेश मंत्रालय और भारत संपर्क करेगा सब प्रमुख देशों को, ताकि उसको तुरंत पारित कर दिया जाए। जहां तक हमारे सुरक्षा दल हैं, वहां पर शांति और अमन बना रहे कश्मीर घाटी में, सुरक्षा के पूरे कदम कि ऐसे कोई और घटना ना हो, वो इसको अपनाएगी और वो कदम लेगी। और इसके साथ साथ जिन लोगों ने ये अपराध किया है आतंकवाद का और जिन्होंने उसको समर्थित किया है, उनको एक बहुत बड़ी कीमत इसकी अदा करनी पड़े। दे हैव टू पे अ हेवी प्राइस, अ हेवी कॉस्ट फॉर इट। इसके लिए वो पूरे कदम अपने आप उठाएगी। गृह मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी आज श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं। वहाँ पर वो दिन भर बैठकें करेंगे और लौटने के बाद संभवतः कल वो सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाकर वहाँ की परिस्थिति का जायजा उन लोगों को देंगे और सभी राजनीतिक दलों के साथ इसकी चर्चा करेंगे, ताकि पूरा राष्ट्र एक आवाज़ में इस परिस्थिति में रिएक्ट कर पाए।
So when you say there will be a heavy price, do you mean Pakistan or non-state actors?
You see, I have made my statement. What had to be done? Normally there is no briefing after the CCS. What I had to say, I have already said, and I think you will also understand the restraint of the situation and desist from any further questions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
The big headline there, the Indian government giving to the Indian military the full sanction to go out and take punitive action against Pakistan. The time and place will be of the choosing of the military commanders involved. The most favored nation status has been withdrawn. This is important symbolically. This has been a long-standing demand, but the biggest story there, Pakistan will pay a cost. The Modi government has said so publicly. Now it's about when, where and how. Gaurav.
Oh, absolutely. So as you very rightly pointed out, Rahul, symbolically it's a very big step. MFN withdrawn. It sends out a message. It is not business as usual with Pakistan. As far as India's other responses concerned, again a comprehensive national response, cleaning up your home within, sorting out terrorists beyond.